all-new Toyota Hilux. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe in our channel. The all-new 9th generation Toyota Hilux is almost here. Set to debut on November 10th, the next Hilux brings an evolution of the legendary pickup's toughness, capability, and style. First launched in 2015, the outgoing model has been refreshed several times, but now Toyota is ready for the next big leap. The new Hilux keeps its familiar rugged stance with sharper lines, redesigned lighting, and bold new alloy wheels. Inside, it's inspired by the latest Land Cruiser Prado, blending practicality with modern tech. Diesel power remains the heart of the lineup, while hybrid and even all-electric versions are on the horizon, expanding the Hilux legacy into a new era. Built in Thailand and trusted worldwide, the Hilux faces fierce competition from the Ford Ranger, but Toyota's ready to strike back. The wait is almost over. Get ready for the next chapter of unstoppable reliability. The all-new Toyota Hilux. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for your viewership.